Numbers are in for March 2025 for the North Alabama market, and sales are up 8.7%, while inventory continues to climb up 46.3%, signaling a healthy, more balanced market with opportunities for both buyers and sellers in this market. So some of my key takeaways are sales and listings are both up year over year, indicating an active market. Prices remain stable with slight appreciation in the median price. Speaking of, if you want to find out your home value, we have a free home valuation tool that's pinned to the top of the comments. So again, kind of been stable, but a little bit of an increase. A lot of that depends on the school district and the area that you live in. Inventory growth has also been strong, creating more opportunities for buyers in this market. Days on market's increasing. That's kind of suggesting that homes are staying on the market longer than in previous years, though it's still kind of within that healthy range. We're kind of considered a balanced market at this point with inventory and the days on market that we're seeing for the average home. Prices are holding steady with modest gains. That's great news for buyers looking to build equity and sellers also seeking strong value. While increased inventory and longer days on market have given buyers more breathing room, we are starting to see a little bit of a shift as we move into the spring market. Multiple offers and full price contracts are returning for the most desirable homes across every price point. Now for the Huntsville sale market, median sales prices are up $7,000 year over year, $320 to $327, about a 2% increase. Homes sold has been a big increase as well, 13.4% year over year increase, 536 now up to 608, and a lot more homes to choose from for Huntsville buyers, a 39.4% increase. There are now over 2,500 homes on the market in Huntsville to choose from. Now onto the Athens submarket, the median sales price range is down $9,000 year over year. Fewer homes sold in Athens, so that median sales price does jump around a little bit more in the Athens market. Relatively flat year over year in terms of the number of homes sold, 176 versus 187, so a 6% increase. And there are still more homes to choose from in Athens as well, a 31% increase, pushing almost 1,000 homes to choose from in Athens at 951. All right, so for Morgan County, for Decatur, Hartselle, Priceville market, the median sales price is up $12,000, $243 up to $255 is one of our more affordable markets. The relative number of homes sold is kind of flat at 109 versus 114, but a huge surge in terms of the number of homes on the market, over 500, so 529 versus 307. So a lot of affordable options available in the Morgan County market right now. All right, so overall market, homes sold is up 8.7%, which is a great sign nationwide. We kind of hit that bottom of the market at 4 million homes sold nationally, which is about as low as it goes compared to 6 million homes during the COVID period. 5 million is kind of the average number. So we're bouncing off of that low, which is a great sign, even as interest rates are a little bit higher right now. New listings, that is really one of the biggest news items, is we're kind of back to pre-pandemic levels and there's more reasonable amounts of homes available for buyers to choose from. So new listings were up 15.1% year over year, which has created also a 27.2% increase in inventory. So more listings available on the market. They're sitting a little bit longer. Days on market's up 38.3%. Was taking on average about 47 days for a home to sell. Now it's taking over 2 months at 65 days. So that is a big thing. Talk about home sold. Pending sales also is trending up at 3%. Median sales price for the overall market's down 1.5% to about 300,000, so relatively flat. Average sales price is keeping up with inflation at 3.1%, so we're almost to $350,000, $347,281, which is still below the national average. And that affordability index is up 3.2% as well. So that median household income, basically divided by your median price range home, if that score is 100, that means your market is affordable. We have been just a little bit south of that, kind of in that mid 90s. So we're approving and approaching that 100 number, which is a great sign as hopefully interest rates improve into the spring and the summer timeframe.